So, good day. My name is John Luis Ceredon from BTVTED FSM2I, and for today's video, I'm going to share my portfolio here in our subject, which is the food processing, marketing, and packaging management. So, our instructor is Ma'am Marcel Mojica, alongside with our student teacher, which is Miss Jenny Grace Bretanya. So, for the first activity that we conduct is the jam making and pickling and canning preservation laboratory. So in this activity, we conduct the lesson that we learn, which is how to preserve an organic material or organic food using the sugar and vinegar acid. So here's the second activity that is connected to the previous one, which is the canning and jam making. So as you can see, we made a couple of photo combinations. So as you can see, we align it in the different shapes and sizes. So for the next activity, which is entitled as my own unique label, which is the activity that we are obliged to create our own labels when it comes to particular products. So for the first is the mango jam. I named it Mr. L's mango jam because my name is Luis L. So mango jam. So I attach some small details like the price, expiration date, nutrition facts, the ingredients, and the storing instructions. I add some barcodes and also the FDA approved. So reminder lang, not all of the things inside of here is not actually connected with my product, but I just want to add so I can show you that it is essential when it comes to actual product or the actual selling that we must do. So the second is Mr. L's coconut vinegar. So just like the previous one, I attached some ingredients, storage instruction, nutrition facts, the production and the expiration date. So here I add some new details, which is the place where where did the product get manufactured. So the next is the longanisa. So just like the previous one, I add some details, but unlike the previous one, we use barcode, but here I use some QR code so we can see what is that. Yes. So the next is the chicken nuggets, Mr. L's chicken nuggets, and just like the previous here. So next is Mr. L's smoked boneless bangus. So the details are just like the same, but the ingredients are the one who got change. So the next is pickled chayote. Then candy. This is the last product that we are assigned to create, which is the candy. I choose some popping candy, which is the one of the most famous type of candy here in the Philippines, especially here in Rizal. In my high school era, almost every student loved to eat that. What is popping candy? It is a kind of candy that get burst or get popping when it contacts in water, or when you swallow it, it is popping, but it is not harmful. It's just chemical reaction. that is not harmless and also very fun to feel. So for the next is the activity that we conduct, which is a laboratory. In this laboratory, we conduct a smoke ano smoke boneless bangus, and all of the ingredients that we use are already provided by the some of our group members and some of our student teachers and also our instructors. So for the next laboratory is the chicken nuggets. In that chicken nuggets that we made, it was conducted not inside of the school but on the house of one of our classmates or one of our members. So here's the final logo or the processed product. So for the next or the almost be the last project that we are obliged to make, which is the Facebook page, which is your own Facebook page that you're going to post almost all of the events that happen inside of that subject or inside of our competency. So I name my own Facebook page Prosidon. So pros means the processing, which is the food processing. The main title of our competency, and the last is the don, which is the last syllable of my name. Merchandise, because it's not just about selling food. We'll also I also thinking about selling some food packaging equipments, because packaging and marketing is the almost the main topic inside of our subject. So the last is here, the final activity that we made, which is the final project. I make my own chicken nuggets and sell it to show that I successfully learned something inside of our subject. And here's the chicken nuggets. By the way, we are assigned to create our own dish, and we are tasked not to copy the dish of the other. So I am the only one who sell chicken nuggets at that time. So the price is 35 pesos each, and if you buy 2 pieces, you're going to have 5 peso discount, which is 65 pesos only. So that's all. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.